Alright, hi everyone,
your
and
first
today we're back with another video.
Yeah,
And
let's go.
me and my
First video.
friends right here, I'll shout them out. The only spitter.
Also,
That stupid
that is
monkey.
Goofy Goober. Yes, that's stupid
Okay,
monkey.
and
This
now,
is Goofy Goober. Just so you know,
obviously.
he's the one. I only bought 19 of these, and the rest were his. So
So today
he
we'll
did
be
most
blowing
of
up
it.
like
He bought none.
110.
He did none.
It's all good.
Hey,
He's a bunny. He's a bunny. It's all good. Okay. Now today we'll be blowing up 100 RPG ammo.
It's about
Let's
100.
get
100 something.
Yeah.
By the way, when
Oh.